Today we're going to look at the best and easiest way to transfer files across all of your different devices, such as your PC, iPhone, and Android phone. I mean seriously, and you don't have to install anything at all. The only requirement is that all of your devices have to be on the same network. Let's get started. To use this, go to the website Snapdropnet on each device that you would like to use to transfer files. So here for an example, I'm on my Android phone and I went to Snapdrop.net. Now I'm on my Windows PC and I'll go to that website and check that out. I can now see my Android phone and my Windows PC. Now that all of my devices can detect one another, I am ready to start transferring some files. First, I want to transfer a file from my phone over to my PC. On my phone, I'll click on my PC and I can now select a file that I want to share. I'll select this file right here and now it shows that it's transferring. Over on my PC, I can now click on save and now I can open up the file. That's how easy it is. To transfer a file from my PC to my Android phone, here I can simply drag and drop a file onto my phone and now it's transferring. Over on my Android phone, here the file has come through. I can now click on save and then download and the file is now on my phone. Along with transferring files, you can also send text messages back and forth. So let's say you want to send passcode or maybe a link. On your PC, simply right click on the device that you want to send the text to, and then you can type in your message. On your mobile device, you can also press and hold on the device that you want to send a text to, and here too, you can also type in a message. Now this is all web-based, meaning that there is no need to install anything, and it also uses a technology called WebRTC. Basically, this establishes a peer-to-peer connection between all of your different browsers, so your files never leave your internet network. And that's why this is now my preferred way of transferring file across all of my different devices. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please consider subscribing and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.